I made this video previously and showed you this one platform which contains 4 other opportunities that you can make money with. Outside trading, you can make money at least $500 a day with 3 other opportunities that are available on Deriv here. So if you are among those who do not know how to use Deriv like a pro, this video is for you. So ensure to stick to the end of this video so that you learn every bit of how to use Deriv as a pro and learn how to make money through arbitrage and through 3 other opportunities that are available here without trading. Welcome back. So this platform is Deriv, and I'm going to show you how to sign up, how to verify your account, how to create different accounts, USDT, crypto wallets and other wallets that are available here, deposit and withdrawal, how to make money through P2P arbitrage, payment agent, and how to use Litecoin for arbitrage trading with Deriv here and Binance. And I'm also going to show you how to use this platform also if you are a trader. So ensure to stick to the end of the video, and if this is what you are looking for on this video, go ahead and smash the like button. And if you are new to the channel, consider to subscribe to the channel. This channel is solely for showing you how to make money online, and I believe you are excited. So hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon so that you always be notified when I make new videos. You can actually follow the timestamps and the timeline so that you can jump to any other session that you already know how to do. All right, so if you want to sign up on Deriv, follow the link in the description of this video and it will land you on this page, and you will be seeing create free demo account. So when you click on create free demo account, it will lead you to where you can sign up. Just put your email address and you agree to the terms and conditions. That's just all you have to do and you will sign up. All right, so once you have signed up, now go ahead and click on login, and you put your email address and your password which you have created and hit login, and you are good to go. Now that you have created demo account and you want to go ahead and start using this Deriv or this platform to make money, you need a real account. And for you to create a real account, just click on this place. Your own will be 00. There will be no money here, and just click on this drop down arrow and you will see demo and real. So you will see this is demo account and real account. So on this place now you will see real, so you just have to click on the real. This is where you will be when you come over here, and you'll be seeing demo account. Then click on this one that says real. Once you click on real, it will tell you to create real account. So once you click on create real account, you will fill in your details and boom, you will create your real account. It's very it's as simple as that. In case your real account is to be used for trading, if you want to use it to trade Forex, just skip to the end of the video to the part of the video where I talked about trading. So I'm going to show you how to use it to trade Forex on that side. But now, if you want to verify your account, if you are trading as well, you will need to verify your account. So for verification, you actually need this verification for you to do crypto arbitrage trading or P2P here. So you click on this menu icon so that you will select account verification. So select this and then go to account settings. So when you click on account settings, you will see the details of verification that you need to do. If you want to use this platform for arbitrage trading, you need to verify your account. So you need proof of identity and proof of address. This is very simple. If you have fill in your personal details and your account details, you also have to put your proof of identity, select it, and then so once you select it, you'll be able to provide your proof of identity. And what you actually need here is either your driver's license, your international passport, or any other valid means of identification that will be provided to you here. So in you can see my ID verification has been passed. All right, so once you put that, you are all good to go. Then if you want to put the second one, click on account settings, then verification, proof of address. Now your proof of address, all you need here is to fill in your address correctly and then upload a photograph or a JPG image or PNG image that shows a clear proof of your address. It could be your NEPA bill if you are in Nigeria, or any other utility bill that you can upload here. So once you have done that, you click on save and submit. It is very simple. Just click on this place and then you submit the document that you have already captured with your camera. All right, once you have done that, you click on save and submit, and you have verified your address. You have finished your personal verification. All right, so the next thing is for you to go ahead and start making money with this site. So let me show you how to create different accounts or wallets so that you can make deposit and withdrawals easily. Now, for you to create different accounts or to add accounts, all you have to do is to click on this drop down arrow. Now, this account is needed for your deposit and withdrawals, especially if you want to use this platform for arbitrage trading or for P2P trading. Click on this drop down arrow and select add or manage account. So when you click, you can see that I have US dollar. When you are creating your real account, you will select the currency that you want to use as your default currency, and that would be US dollar. So once you select US dollar, this is your CR. This shows your account number. All right, so you can go ahead and add your own Bitcoin account number, which is Bitcoin CR. You can see my own. I've added Bitcoin, I've added Ethereum or Ether, I've added Litecoin, USD coin, and Theta Omni. Meanwhile, the ones I use are just Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USD coin, and US dollar. So let me show you how to add this also, and I will show you how to use them because you actually need them for arbitrage trading. So click on add or manage account. By the time you create your account, you will only have the US dollar, so you need to add cryptocurrency accounts for you to be able to carry out crypto arbitrage trading across exchanges. So if you click on this, you will have fiat currencies, but you do not need fiat currency. You have already selected USD as your fiat currency. So go to cryptocurrencies. You can see that I've added all the cryptocurrencies that are available. So all you have to do is to click on Bitcoin. You will select Bitcoin and it will be added automatically. Select Ethereum, select Litecoin. But what I need you to select here are majorly Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, but the one I will advise you to be using is Litecoin because of cost of transaction. All right, so ensure that you select Bitcoin, select Litecoin and add it to your account, so that if you click on this drop down arrow now, you will be able to see that I have added Litecoin as one of my payment methods, and I'm going to show you how to use it to do arbitrage trading now. Now, after adding these accounts, what you may want to do now is either you want to make a deposit so that you can actually start trading arbitrage or start trading forex. There are different ways you can make a deposit on Deriv here. So I'm going to show you. Click on this menu icon and you select cashier. So once you select cashier, you'll be seeing different means of deposit. So you can make deposit through payment agents. This is number one. You can also make deposit and withdrawals through P2P. You can make deposit and withdrawal through payment agents to P2P, and another method that I'm going to show you, which is cryptocurrency. These are the three major ways you can make deposit and withdrawals, but then let me show you another method which you can use. So click on deposit and you will be able to see other methods that are available. You can see deposit via bank wire, credit card, and if you click on this, there are different methods you can select here, but I don't want you to go ahead and use it. But if you want to use this, you can use your bank card and credit card to make deposit and withdrawals here, but I don't want to use this because of the cost of using it. You will be spending more. So the one you will be spending less is when you use cryptocurrencies and when you use P2P, which I will show you exactly how to do that. So if this is another method of deposit and withdrawal, but I don't use any of this. You can use P2P, or you use cryptocurrencies, or you use payment agents. And for payment agents, let me show you what you can do. If you want to use payment agents, then click on cashier, you select payment agents, and once you select payment agent, it will bring out the list of payment agents available on Deriv here. There are many of them, and you can actually become one of them if you want to. So this is a list of payment agents that are available. So you can both use it for deposit and you can use it for withdrawal. There are many of them. All right, and if you want to also make money through arbitrage, you can also become a payment agent here, but that's not the essence of this video. In case you want to learn how to do that one, you can drop a comment in the comment section about it and I will make personalized video on it. So if you want to make withdrawal as well, you can click on withdrawal and they will send you a message on your email. But what I want to show you here is just how to make deposit, the overview of this platform. All right, so what you want to do now is to see the rest of the means of deposit and withdrawal, and I think I've exhausted all of them. The next thing you want to do now is to see how to use each of them. So let me show you how to use P2P for deposit and withdrawal. Now if you click on cashier, you select Deriv P2P, DP2P. So when you select Deriv P2P, you will now be able to see, in case you want to buy USD, this one is for people that want to trade, because this place is for non-merchants. So if you want to buy USD, you can see the amount you can buy USD on this platform. If you want to buy now, maybe if you want to buy it for trading, you can buy at this rate. But if you want to or if you want to buy it, let's say you want to buy and transfer to Binance for arbitrage, I'm going to show you how to do that one. So if you want to buy now, just click on any of them, click on buy USD, and when you click on buy USD, you'll now be able to see the rate at which the person is selling. Then all you have to do is to input the amount, total amount that you want to buy. If you want to buy, let's say 100 USD, okay, the maximum this person can sell is 60, so put 50. If 50, minimum is 63, okay, 63.86. all right, if this is the amount of USD you want to buy from this person, you can go ahead and click confirm, and this person now, his account details will be provided once you click on confirm. But since I don't want to buy now, I don't want to click on this because it will reduce his completion rate and my own completion rate too. I don't want to click on it. All you have to do is to, once you click on it, you will see the person's account number. You transfer if you are from Nigeria, you can transfer the money to his account number based on this rate that you have seen here. This is the amount that you're going to transfer to him, 45,339 naira. Send it to his account balance, to his account number that will be provided when you click on this. Then he will, through Deriv now, they will send you this 63.86 USD. You will see your balance, it will reflect here 63.86 USD. Immediately he confirms that you have paid him. That's how to buy USD through P2P on Deriv, and you have made deposit like that. But if you want to transfer this money that you have bought now to Binance, hold on, I'm going to show you how to do that. You are not going to do it through this method. And let's say you are a trader, you want to make withdrawal after you have traded here and you've made some money, you want to withdraw it. All you have to do is to click on, maybe you want to withdraw through P2P, click on cashier again, select Deriv P2P, and then go ahead and click on sell. So you click on sell. Before now you were on buy, so what you have to do now is to click on sell because you have made some money and you want to sell the USD that you have over here. So you are now selling to these guys and they are buying. So go down, these ones that you are seeing here are not ready to buy USD, so that's why you see those outrageous amount there. Meanwhile, if you click on some of them, you will see a different rate inside. So let's click on this. So you can see this person's official rate is 690 naira per dollar. What an outrage. So let me just quickly go to Binance and show you how much it is on Binance. And this guy is Binance. So this is Binance, and this is the amount that you can buy USD. Meanwhile, you want to sell, so let's go to the sell side. So you on Binance now, you can sell at 720, as high as 720. Can you see the massive difference? Even if they are, let me go down, because some of those guys up there can charge you, let's say 100 naira. Even if they charge you that, you still have much profit. So 720, so which means when you learn how to arbitrage between the Deriv and this Binance now, you'll be earning huge amount of money. The difference now is 690 against 720. That will be around 30 naira per dollar, which means that if you spend $100, you'll be earning 3,000 naira. Anyway, that's not the essence of this video. I just want to show you what you can benefit if you watch this video to the end and learn how to use this platform as a pro, and then you go ahead and watch my video on how to use it to do arbitrage trading. All right, the link will be in the description of this video, or you watch to the end, it will pop up at the end. All right, so if you want to sell your USD as a trader now, you go down and select the persons that are willing to buy at a better rate. So just go down. So once you go down, you see people who want to buy your USD at a better rate. Okay, we can now see people who want to buy at 700, 709. So let's select those who have more number of trades completed. So this man has more number of trades completed, so let's go ahead and click on this. He's buying at 702, and he will buy as much as 20 USD to 200. So click on it and see if that's still the rate. So that's still the rate, and this is 707 naira. If you are selling at 707 naira, you're still losing. As means you go with Binance, you make more. So I believe you've seen how to sell. If you want to sell now, just select the amount of USD. Currently I have I have 73 here, so I can select I want to sell 50 USD via P2P, which I will not try. All right, so you can select the bank account that you want to receive payment. Meanwhile, you must have said that before. Then put your phone number here, whatever be your phone number, just put it there and then click confirm. Once you confirm it now, this person will pay you 35,300 into your bank account, and this amount of USD 50 will be deducted from your account. That is how to do Deriv P2P. All right, so this is deposit and withdrawal via Deriv P2P. The next is payment agent. I think I've shown you how to make deposit and withdrawal via payment agent, so no need to go back to that. So the next thing you want to do now is what I personally call Litecoin arbitrage, doing arbitrage trading between Deriv and Binance using Litecoin. So if you want to do that, ensure to have added different accounts here, different wallets. So if you select this now, you will see the different wallets I have added. I have added Litecoin. Okay, if you want to arbitrage between Binance and Deriv, you have to convert this your USD that is here to Litecoin. When you convert it to Litecoin, they will charge you around either 1.3 or $1.2 for the conversion. Then you send it over to Binance and sell it there for higher profit. So let me show you how to do it. Will be available in my second video, which you should watch after this one. The link is in the description. You will see how I did it and I made some profit. Okay, so let me show you how to do that, but that won't be practical. The practical one will be in the next video. So click on cashier and then select transfer. So you will be able to transfer between USD account, which is your default account, and then your Litecoin account. So you want to transfer money from US dollar to another account, so click on this drop down arrow and select the account you want to transfer it to. So, and I want to transfer to, let's say, Litecoin. So select Litecoin, and either you want to select, or you can select 75% of the money, or you just put the amount, let's say 50 USD. 50 USD. I want to transfer 50 USD to, you will see 68% of available balance should be transferred, and this is the amount I will get, 0.93 Litecoin. So if I want to transfer that, I will click on transfer, and that has been done, and I'll go ahead and transfer it to Binance. And if I want to transfer it to Binance, go ahead and click on withdraw, cashier, and then click on withdraw. So if you click on withdraw now, you select withdraw Bitcoin, withdraw Litecoin. I will first of all go and confirm it on my email that I want to make withdrawal. Meanwhile, the detailed video is in the second video, where you will see me doing it practically, and you know how much I was able to make. All right, so before I continue, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, I believe you've gotten much value so far. So go ahead and smash the like button so that this video will be suggested for another person also to view. So ensure to subscribe to the channel also, and share this video with your friends too. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to carry out trading if you are a trader and you just signed up with Deriv now. So if you have created your real account and you want to go ahead and start trading, all you have to do is to ensure that you get your MetaTrader 5, download MetaTrader 5, and then once you download it, you'll be able to copy your details here. Click on the drop down arrow and select DMT5 account. This is the one you need. So when you click on, not Deriv X, you don't need Deriv X account. This synthetic account, which I would have added, is under Deriv X. You will add synthetic account under DMT5 account. Click on it, and then you'll be able to see synthetic account, and then you select whether it is Africa or Europe that your server will be coming from. You will be able to see it there. So all you need is Deriv synthetic account, and you start trading with this. And once you have created Deriv synthetic account, you can go ahead and click on it now, and you copy the details that it provides you, your login details. Then you go to your MetaTrader 5 and add the account. So if you are interested in using this platform for trading and you want to join my community of traders, you can actually let me know in the comment section, and I will drop the link for you. So I will explain more, and you need more explanation on how to trade Deriv on this platform, or how to trade Forex rather on this platform. Let me know in the comment section, and I can make video if there are many of you requesting for it on how to trade using this platform. So this brings us to the end of this video, which has shown you how to use this platform, the overview of how to use this platform, and I believe you enjoyed it. So ensure to like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on all notifications, and click on the share button, copy the link and share with your friends so that they will learn how to use this platform to make money. So having learned how to use this platform now, you can now look up and watch my previous video on how to use it for arbitrage trading against Binance. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.